Tools like Windows 365, Microsoft Intune, Windows Autopilot, and other Microsoft cloud technologies are groundbreaking and transformative for businesses. But the technologies are complex, and time for education is scarce. As a result, many companies only use a fraction of the technologies within their Microsoft licenses. Fortunately, there's a way to get up to speed in a timely manner. Mobile Mentor workshops provide the knowledge you need to harness the power of these tools. Through these workshops, your engineers will learn what they need to work efficiently in the latest tech. The curriculum is guided by Microsoft, and if you qualify, the workshop is free to you. We offer unique workshops in Microsoft 365, Endpoint Management, Windows 365 Cloud PC Solutions, and Mobile Device Management, all facilitated by some of the brightest minds in the industry. If leveling up your employee experience and endpoint security are some of your top priorities, let us know, and our team will be happy to lead you on the right path.